Hi, I want to work over this electric circuit question a lot more and get you a better sense of what is going on in electric circuits. So here's a couple of things to go over. I'm going to set this up just one moment. I need my pen and then we should be okay. So what do we have? We have a battery and let's say it's got 10 volts to it to make the numbers nice and easy. And let's say we also have a resistor, and the resistor, let's say, is 1 ohm. Okay, so what do we know? We know that the voltage is equal to the current, which is I, times the resistance, and the resistance is in ohms, OHMS. So we can rearrange this. We know 2 out of the 3 things in this circuit. We're going to ignore the light bulb right now, just to make life simpler. So what can we do? We can solve for the current, and then we know all 3 things about this circuit. So what can we do? Well, what if we divide both sides by the resistance? So let's do this. We're going to divide by R. I don't know if you've done this sort of math before, but it's a good thing to get familiar with. You can divide or multiply by the same thing on both sides, and then you're not changing the equation. So if we divide by resistance on both sides, your resistance, R divided by R, is kind of like 3 divided by 3, which gives you 1. So what do you really have now? You have the current equals voltage divided by the resistance. So your current is going to be 10 volts divided by your 1 ohm. So your current equals 1 amp, 10 divided by 1. Okay, so this is how you go about a very simple circuit. And what happens is your current is the same all the way through. It's 1 amp. Okay, so that gives you a little sense of how to do that one. And we'll stop right there and test out the recording.